Alright, so this is how you can also change the name of your PC. Maybe it's a new PC or it's an old PC. You can decide to change it or give it a custom name. So you click on a window icon or window key plus I. And window key plus I, and you bring out the setting icons. Then what you do is click on system, and then down there you see about. So click on about. Now at the right hand side you see rename this PC. Rename this PC. So you decide the name currently is D. So if you want to rename it, you can rename it. So let me rename it. I'll rename this PC. For instance, let me say Stella. So I'll type Stella here to rename this particular PC. And you see next, click on next. Click on next. When you click on next, a pop-up will come. You see, they say restart now, restart your computer now, or restart later. So when you click on restart now, the computer is going to restart for the name, the current name that you have given to the PC to take effect. But in my case now, I don't need to restart it now. I will do it later. So I'll click on restart later. So this is all about how you can name your PC, or you can give your PC a custom name instead of what the name that it has come with from the factory. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, try to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. God bless you.